Welcome back. Surely you are going to grow as you are going on in your website. You get? Your website is going to get so massive that you are going to need new users for your website. You get? Now, you can decide to hire users via Fiverr, or you employ somebody that will be doing editorial work for you or writing content for you so that you can focus on other things. In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to add users. You get the point? So that to make life easier for you. In WordPress, to locate users, you just, on the left-hand side, just click on users. It's going to bring you here. You get the point? Right now, I am the only user here because I have not added any other new. This is where you can add users. Now, there are several roles that you can put to, that you can give to users. One of them is subscriber. Subscriber is somebody who is like a registered member to your website. A contributor is somebody who contributes to anything related to your, contributes from external that contributes to your website. You know what contributor is now? You get the point. And we have author, a recognized person who is going to be like, let me say, in some cases, in some companies, they usually have like 5 or even 12 authors. You get the point. And editor. Editor who is somebody who can proofread, bring new contents, and other things. You get the point. Now, we have the administrator. The admin is somebody like you who owns the site. Now, this administrator role is that they can go from the front end to the back end, front and back. You get a point. They have full control of your website. I'm going to show you how to add these roles. And one of the roles that I usually add very, very fast is this. I usually put all their roles in editor, no matter who it is. You get a point. This will help you protect your website. So what you can do is this. You're just going to create a note for anybody that you want to add. For example, here now, I'm just going to use editor Sam. Editor Sam. You get? Just put it, editor Sam, no spaces. And the email required, put it. Samuel as their name. You get? This is just sampling. Hello. First name Samuel. Light. Okay. And website. We're just gonna leave that open. And password. I'm just going to copy this password that it has provided already, and I'm going to replace this one here. You get? Now that is the password. Yes. Good. Now I'm just going to add user. Add user. Okay, there has been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instructions. I'm just going to close this up. I believe it has been added. I'm just going to go back again. Go back to users. Yes, leave. Now, as you can see here, the thing has added the admin. You get? At times you get that error message. I don't know why that error comes up. I haven't even tried to figure out why that error code comes up there. You get a point. So all I'm just gonna do now is log in to show you exactly what is happening. So let me close this. I'm going to open an Ignito window, and I'm going to go to YOROCHIM Apex. Okay, and I'm going to put in those credentials here, that email, to show you what it looks like. And I'm going to put in that password, and I'm gonna just log in. Voila, it has happened. Now, this is the dashboard of the person that is going to log in and edit things. They can access posts here and work on your posts. You get the point? They can also manage some pages and they can manage media. And if you have tools, you can also give it to them. You get the point? Why you are not seeing tools here is because we haven't added any tools yet. But we are going to do it as time goes on. You get the point now? So this is how it is going to do. This is how their dashboard is, what is going to look like. You get the point? You don't see settings here because they can't set anything up. You don't see plugins here because they can't add plugins. And what they can do here is just to post an edit page. That's all. That is it. Anytime that you want to send that editor, the contributor or something, you just give them these login credentials. All you need is just the email and this password. You just send it to them and they can log in and contribute in the article. Or they can even submit it to you and you put it. But for now, I'm not going to need this extra user here. I'm just going to delete this guy because delete all content. If the person wrote something, you can either delete all the content or you can attribute all their content to yourself. It depends on you. Now we are just going to confirm deletion. And the user has been deleted successfully. Now I'm just going to refresh this. This is how you add and delete users. I'll see you in the next one.